Hey guys, my name is Trey. I know I'm a new face, but get used to it because I'm going to be taking you guys on a week-to-week beard journey on the tools that I'll be using and the progress that I'll be making. Now, as you can see, I have completely cut off my whole entire face. It's crazy. After 1 week, this is my progress of where I'm at right now. Since I've been doing this, I have been using the Derma Roller. The Derma Roller is a micro-needling tool that has been said to stimulate beard growth. But we're gonna see how that goes for the next few months, what my results are. And you guys will be there to see that as well. After doing that, I typically apply Evan Alexander's My Beard Oil or My Beard Serum on my face to keep it moisturized and to soften the new hairs that are growing that are piercing around my skin. So it's not too itchy and irritating also. Now, look at my face after 1 week in a couple days. If you look, you'll see on my face that it's full of prickle effect, prickly all over, going crazy. You'll see that I kept my mustache and that is the thickest piece of hair on my face. Now, originally when I cut my facial hair, I kept my mustache, and I'm not sure why. But you'll see that I have one ingrown hair on my upper neck and is prickling going around my lower neck as well. You'll also see that around my chin hair, it's the darkest place on my face as well. And around my mouth, there's no hair growing around that area. Now, my boy B just put me on some brand new tools to level up my beard game. Now for week 2, I'll be using the Beard Detox and I'll be using the Beard Scrub too, which you can find in the description below. I look forward to seeing the difference in my skin and in my beard. Now, all in all, I have a pretty good 5 o'clock shadow that's growing in, right? But my man, I'm not gonna lie, I was pretty nervous when I first cut my beard. But like I said, my guy B is assisting me on my beard journey to have a healthier and happier beard. And I'm confident that this time around, my beard and skin will be flourishing this summer, you feel me? So stay tuned for the next coming weeks where I share my beard journey and where also I'll be showing you guys the differences in my beard. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification below and follow me on IG at Trey Bryant 27. And I'll see you guys in Beard Week 2 where I'll be showing you guys my progress.